Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome. This is a follow up to that fiery dragon egg I just did. A lot of you really liked it and said you want to see the other one, which is greenish bluish color, mixture of green and blue. Maybe some yellow. I did put a little bit yellow in it as well, but the yellow could get mixed with the green and you won't see the yellow then. But we're gonna turn this one and make a base. I'm thinking the base out of this nice English hue. I think this will go better with bluish greenish color. And I won't be talking much on this video because I already did a lot of the explaining and my intent behind everything on the past one, so this will be focused on the turning and how it turns out. Wow, guys, check this out. Never expected it to look this good. I can see those yellows being turned into like a lighter green inside the blue and darker green. I think it's a good combination I went with. You'll see better when I make when I take pictures at the end. There we go, guys, all done. This egg turned out so nice. I'll leave some pictures at the end. I love this ripple effect. You know, the cup has grooves all over it, you saw it, and that made the resin inside to sort of get a ripple effect of the, you know, different colors. There's yellow, brilliant gold Predex powder there. I can see yellow and blue and green. If I hold it this way, you can see the green. And shape of this I like. Let me know what you guys think. I got another design in mind. I was thinking, well, this was too small for it, but I've got this design that if I get a bigger piece and hollow the inside completely in a way and have the wings like that sort of, and then the egg would go right in the middle in there, so as if it's like a hollowed or like a big nest with, you know, coming up, but the egg would be like in there, and when you turn it on it would lit up in the nest. That's something maybe we could try in future. English hue is so beautiful. I think it goes with it. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate all you guys watching my past videos and commenting. It means a lot and it keeps me going. It encourages me to come up with different projects, different ideas. I try to change my designs. Most of the time it'll go according to what woods provide, like the shape I can think at that time. So yeah, it's very interesting, and when you combine the resin and wood, I understand some of you may not like resin all the time, you know, it's messy. I don't like the messy makes, but the results are getting better. I think my castings are getting better. I've got virtually no bubbles now, and if you guys who used to watched my previous videos starting the year, my very first project was a failed one. so I didn't start the year with a good result, but now I've managed to improve it. So should never give up, and practice makes perfect, or nothing's perfect but makes better. So yeah, thank you everyone, take care till next time.